Curiosity did not kill the cat. What's up, guys? My name is Sam Becker. If this is the first time that we are meeting, it is a pleasure and an honor to make your acquaintance. Thank you for being here. Please consider liking and subscribing to my channel where we talk a lot about fear and anxiety, mindset, lifestyle, and business as well, business perspectives, okay? Today I want to talk to you about something that I wrote when I reminded myself of this old phrase, curiosity killed the cat. Curiosity killed the cat. So I want to read something to you that I wrote when I was thinking about that quote, all right? And here's what I wrote down. I was kind of mind dumping at the time, and this is what I wrote. And it might sound kind of weird, might sound kind of dumb, but stick with me. There's a purpose to why I was kind of sharing this thought process with you guys, okay? So here's what I wrote. Curiosity presented the cat with opportunities. Curiosity did not kill the cat. Imagine if that cat literally had the 9 lives that we all assume that they have. What kind of awesomeness do you think that cat experienced? Aside from cats, let's be real. Curiosity is responsible for a huge percentage of my experiences. If I didn't have curiosity, I wouldn't have done as many things that I have. I wouldn't have learned as much as I have. I wouldn't have asked as many questions as I have, or dove down the deep end of online research as much as I have. That's actually really hard to say. Dove down the deep end, dove down the deep end, dove down the deep end, dove down the deep end. Anyway, I wouldn't be the same person without curiosity. So don't let the old saying, curiosity killed the cat, shut you down. Just use common sense and don't do anything stupid, and I think you'll be fine. So that's just a little reminder for you guys that curiosity is a good thing. Again, I have to owe a lot of credit to the experiences that I've lived in life and a lot of things that I've learned because of curiosity. So in what way can you make curiosity work for you? In what ways has curiosity worked for you? I was curious about therapy at a certain point. I was very much in need of therapy to help me with my mindset and my fear and my anxiety and my discomfort, right? My comfort zone, getting out of it. I was very curious about it. And I started to think about being curious rather than being desperate. Okay. So if I was desperate for therapy, I probably would have relied a lot more on the desperation than on the mindset of let's just give it a shot. Let's just see what happens. Let's see what it's all about. And I think that curiosity allowed me to keep going with therapy to see what was next, to see what was on the other side of that fear and anxiety. And in fact, what I believe to be on the other side of fear and anxiety is confidence and clarity, right? Because I believe truly that all fear and anxiety is based on, lopsided perceptions of what you believe to be true. Obviously, those being negative things, but on the other side of that, there are positive things. There's a flip side to everything, right? And so what I think is on the other side of fear and anxiety is, in fact, clarity and confidence. And I think the curiosity part of me, I've always been a curious person. I've always been the type that asks a lot of questions anyway, even from a young age. I needed to know all the answers. And I think that's helped me kind of navigate life in a lot of ways. And I enjoy that. I enjoy being a curious person. So I hope that curiosity has helped you in a lot of ways as well, because again, curiosity killed the cat. Like, I don't even know where that saying came from, to be honest with you, but what cat are we talking about? And what curiosity did that cat jump into? Oh, this looks like a bucket of poison. I'm very curious about what that tastes like. There, now the curiosity killed the cat. Whatever the case is, I don't know where that saying came from, but it got me thinking. It got me thinking about how much curiosity has helped me in my life. And I'm wondering if it's the same for you guys. So leave a comment down below and let me know what curiosity has done for you, even if it's not necessarily in the best result. Has curiosity, in fact, done something wrong to you? Has it done something right for you? Let me know in the comments, and feel free to share your perspectives. All right. So thank you guys for being here. I appreciate it. I'll be back with another video very soon. Take care.